it's Tammy from Sitemate. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of analytics in Dashpivot and how it turns form data into real-time insights. Analytics in Dashpivot works by visualizing the data captured in your forms. So as your team completes forms in the field or anywhere, charts and dashboards update automatically without manual data entry or spreadsheets. Analytics is organized into dashboards, and each can contain multiple charts. So for example, you might have a dashboard for each of work function or areas such as safety, quality, environmental, or in this case, I have a dashboard for daily reports with multiple charts in there. These dashboards can be created at a team level to track individual jobs or at the company level in the home folder to aggregate data across all projects and team folders depending on your reporting needs. Dashpivot includes 3 core chart types. Quantity charts, which track numerical values over time, such as labor hours, costs, or production quantities. Frequency charts to show how often forms are created, making them useful for compliance and trend tracking. And ratio charts, which group forms together by a chosen variable, whether that is the workflow status, incident severity, or list items, which allows you to compare proportions visually. Let's take a quick look at some examples. So back in the daily reports dashboard that we saw earlier, I have 3 different chart types. The first one is the quantity chart, and as you can see here, I've linked this to the daily report template, and we're tracking the external labor field specifically for the total hours worked. You can change the time frame and the interval, and then change the way that you want to visualize this. I then decided to break down this by the subcontractor names, but you can also choose from other types of variable depending on your template format. For the frequency chart, I just have an accumulative bar chart just to track how many daily reports have been created over the last month. And as for the ratio chart, I have set this up so that we see the breakdown for the locations within the daily report. So each of these charts can be filtered and adjusted to focus on specific things, whether that's activities, timeframes, or location, weather conditions, and these filters allow you to refine exactly which data is included in the chart, helping you drill into specific activities, teams, or conditions. So analytics makes it easy to move from high-level trends to more detailed analysis when needed. And by automating reporting and visualization, Dashpivot Analytics helps teams track performance in real time and make informed decisions without relying on any manual reporting processes. And that's a quick overview of analytics in Dashpivot. If you'd like to see how to set up each chart in detail or learn more about other areas in Dashpivot, check out our help articles on our website, or you can chat with one of our team members using the live chat. That's it from me for this video. Thank you for watching.